We will be installing a structurally glazed skylight system. Since the skylight will not be designed to be a walkable surface, anyone accessing the skylight for cleaning or maintenance will be required to be tied off at all times. To examine the integrity of the skylight, we conducted a drop test as prescribed by the ASTM work item 17797. Our procedure was reviewed and confirmed by the ASTM co-chairs Nigel Ellis and John Westerfield. We will be dropping a 300-pound bag from a height of 3 feet onto 3 areas of the skylight sample: the center, a side, and a corner. We are using an Everlast punching bag that we emptied and filled with sand and reinforced with power wrap. We did a preliminary drop test onto a styrofoam pad from 3 feet. The inner circle of the impact area was 10 inches with an outer circle of 12 inches. The sample we are testing is a 60-inch by 66-inch insulated glass unit, structurally glazed onto an aluminum frame. We used 4 by 5 by 3/8 inch steel angles to attach the test sample onto a wooden frame which was laid upon a concrete pad. The glass was made by Viricon. The outer light is a 1/4-inch tempered glass with a 1/2-inch airspace and a laminated inner light made of a 1/4-inch heat-strengthened glass with an 060 PVB inner layer and another layer of a 1/4-inch heat-strengthened glass. In the drop test, the outer light is considered sacrificial and should break into small pieces so that a person would not be cut. The laminated inner light should remain intact upon impact. The unit is structurally glazed using Dow Corning's 995 silicone. The frame we used is one of our Hilboldt curtain wall custom aluminum frames with a baked-on paint finish.
We have the weight now 3 foot above the surface of the glass.
3, 2, 1.
All right. So what we have is an impact at the center of the glass, and the glass has fractured.
You look at the caulk?
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Even the secondary shield.
I can't see anything on the inboard. Can you, Brett?
No, I don't.
You look underneath it and you can't see any cracking or anything.
I think just the outer light is broken. The tempered light, and it's well tempered.
I agree.
Lots of little tiny pieces. That's good.
So the second drop point is located approximately 6 to 8 inches off of the edge. Should allow the center of the hit to take load into the glass and into the framework. You good?
3, 2, 1.
So in the second drop, we went ahead and dropped the load on the edge point, and we saw additional cracking of the sacrificial layer. We do not see any damage to the laminated inner layer. Good.
3, 2, 1.
Tim, we can grab the trash can and dust can
over here.
in there.
Got good temper.
Yeah.
You guys see that room? I want to see if there's any scratches around the center.
What you see on the laminated light, there are some surface scratches that have occurred because of the weight. It's totally expected, but I think that inner layer has held up very well. This is just, a great indication of the capacity of the glass system that we've used. It's just a summary of our tests that we did today, and it was a success.